Caleb, what are we going to tell these people here for this end of the year message? Well, we'll figure something out. Stay tuned. Let's get to it. Hi, Fawn here from the Berkeley Chefs. You know,
I'm also Caleb Berkeley here.
yeah, you gotta chill out. So it's the year is ending, and we thought, why don't we make a little wrap-up message for everybody who is looking at the end of their year, and say, well, why don't we give them a little update on what's been going on with the Berkeley Chefs channel. Caleb?
Yes. So we look at other people on YouTube for the end of year review, and they do like top 10 of the year, the key highlights, biggest moments stuff, but we're not gonna do that.
No, we're not. What are we gonna do? We're gonna just go through some of the wonderful challenges and stuff that we have. So let's talk about the most challenging recipe that you or one of our Berkeley chefs had to work on for this year. What's that about?
The instant pot recipe, I had a failure and I redid the recipe again, and it turned out good.
Oh, there you go. So you learn from your failure. And I think you also have a behind the scene video or something somewhere floating around about that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Our most viewed cooking video. What was that?
Our chocolate chip granola that was made by Elisha Berkeley.
Oh, is that the rapping chef who has the lyrics? How does it look?
Elisha be in the kitchen.
Elisha B is in the kitchen, and you know my food is finger licking or something like that, right? That's the word?
Yeah.
You gotta check out his video if you haven't seen it.
Here.
Alright. What's the next one we gotta deal with?
The longest video on our channel.
Alright, the longest video. Now I remember that video. It is very, very long. But actually, you know what? I like that video because it's very soothing for sleeping. I actually put it on one time on my phone, had the lighting turned down very low, and just had the little music playing and stuff.
Yeah.
And in under an hour, I was like,
Same with me.
So it works, it's beautiful. You should check that one out. It's somewhere.
Yeah.
So let's see. What's the shortest video on the channel?
Well, that's my first video that I did on the cinematic, which is a short 1 minute video that got over 113 views.
So it's a 1 minute video, and it's gonna be somewhere.
Yeah.
Right?
There in that corner.
Or there, or somewhere. Who knows? Okay, it's a 1 minute video. It was your first attempt at using like a cinematography tools, right? Like all the effects of like cinema, and it looked really good. You got some good feedback, and actually shout out to Cam and Leanne. They're two fans of the channel, and Cam's an award-winning video guy, and he really saw like Caleb had some good potential as a young man, just learning and trying out these things, and he gave some good tips on these things. So check that video out somewhere. Let's see. Alright, your turn.
My favorite video is how to open a durian like a Berkeley chef. Durian is my favorite fruit.
Yeah, okay. So that video was interesting, and you know, not everybody likes durian. Funny story about that I'll share with you. Many years ago, when I was working at the university, I took some durian to work, and my co-worker was sitting on the same floor, a few spaces over, and so I'm eating my durian, and my co-worker is like, are you smelling gasoline? Is there gas in the floor? I'm like, no, I don't smell anything. Eating my durian. So It depends for different people. Like it triggers the senses, and you detect a different smell. One person said it smelled like no, aside from gasoline, some said it smells like
Rotten stuff.
I'm not rotting stuff. It was something else, very pungent. All right, so some people really like it. When I first smelled it, because another Berkeley chef, Jenny, she loved durian, and she introduced me to durian. And so when she first introduced me to it, I was like, ew, this thing stinks. I don't even want to have any. And it took me about a year before I would even try that stuff. But it is so sweet and delicious. I think the smell is like to keep everybody away so that you can enjoy more of it for yourself. Okay, take that on, check out the video, and if you can buy durian and try it, you'll love it. Okay, let me pick one now.
Yeah.
So we also, aside from the videos that we love and we've made, we also had some challenge. We have some like numbers for people who loves the statistics. Every day there's statistics on the TV about the environment that we're currently living in. I won't say because Google is censoring this or whatever. So the environment the whole world is in right now, and there's statistics every day. So I said, well, we've got to give people some statistics too. But this is statistics from the channel. We launched the channel in May of 2020. It actually was something that we wanted to make video recipes for a while, and Caleb and Jenny was really into this, and so never really found the time to put together videos and stuff. And so when the pandemic hit in end of February, March, around there, we thought, well, Caleb was like, well, what can we do? Let's make some recipes. Let's really put some effort in now and get this channel going. It's the perfect opportunity. And so he and Jenny worked really hard, and I've contributed a few videos under introduction, but all of the Berkeley chefs have been pulling together since May of this year to really try to produce some awesome video content for you. And so that was in May of this year. So that's the first sort of milestone to actually get over the hump and actually do it. Because it's been an idea for a while, but it's just who has the time. Alright, so what's the next thing you want to pick there?
Well, we published 512 minutes of content, not counting unpublished content that's still coming out.
512 minutes of content?
Yep, that's a lot.
Wow. Shouldn't that really be? But you see, this is statistics. There you go. He's telling you 512 minutes of content. I think what you should have said is we've published over 306,000 seconds of content for viewers like you to watch. Isn't that like 512 minutes? How about 300,000 seconds? So there you go, a little lighthearted, but it's a lot of seconds, okay? And for every second of video that you see, think about maybe another 1,000 seconds went into that, from designing the set, planning the recipe, preparing the ingredients, planning the shot and the angle, then making the video, then post-production and editing and color correcting and adjusting the sound and all of the thing that goes into that. So yes, it's a lot of work, and 306,000 seconds is a good accomplishment. And so maybe we'll spend over 1 million seconds or 10 million seconds on it. I don't know. But you spend a lot of seconds. All right, next, let's pick something else here to share with the viewers.
So our viewers smashed that like button over 265 times and left over 130 comments.
Awesome. 130 comments and smash the like button. So why don't you smash the like button for this video too? We appreciate it.
That's right.
All right. The videos been shared. The videos on the channel have been shared over 413 times by viewers like you. And we appreciate it because young man here is the executive in charge of this. And so when you share, you help him out. When you let others know, he appreciates it, I appreciate it, all the other Berkeley chefs appreciate what you do to help us spread the word about the great tasting, fun, plant-based recipes we put together on this channel.
That's right. And so we have over 17,000 views. Not 1,700 views. But I would like to get to 17,000.
He'd love to get to 17,000. So 1,700 views on the way to 17,000. How's that?
Yeah.
All right, so we have that 1,700 views. What else can I share? Okay, and we did 2 premieres, and that is something that's awesome too. There's a lot of time and planning that goes into that, and for the premiere, we're actually able to interact through the chat with viewers like you, and it's a fun experience. It's really exciting. It's live, so it's pretty good.
Yeah.
And it's spontaneous, you know. All right, and what else do we have on our list?
Okay.
Oh, we've got more statistics. Statistics.
Yeah.
All right.
So our best month that boosts us up was in October.
October.
Yeah.
What happened there?
Well, I published more videos and people were sharing them more, and so we got more views and subscribers, and I was happy.
Yeah, I think people were more thankful too during that time.
Yeah.
They were thankful to be seeing a good recipe on the channel. What do you think? Yeah, I think so too. Okay. All right, what else do we have? So we have all of this. Oh, I forgot. Along the way, you became a better video guy, editor guy.
Me and my brother too.
Yeah. So you're practicing the skill, learning it, getting better. If you watch some of our early videos, you can see the difference. Sort of like he's growing, right? You can see the process that he's going through as he's editing, and he's getting better and refining his skill and putting in stuff and everything. So congrats to you, little guy. I'm proud of you. And what are some of our plans for the upcoming year?
Well, starting tomorrow, I still plan to post scrumptious recipes. We're planning to launch educational courses, online courses.
Okay. Scrumptious recipes, educational courses, and we're gonna have some Berkeley chefs gear later on in the year. So merch, probably. I like black, but maybe there'll be other colors. Who knows, right? It's still in the works, so when we have merch available for Perch, we'll let you know.
Yeah. So we also plan to launch some plant-based cookbooks and other books too.
Okay.
And to get notified about all of these things, you can join our mailing list at berkeleychefs.com.
Join the list.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. So all of these things, we have plans for 2021 to keep bringing you great content, to keep sharing all of the joy and the excitement of what we do here at Berkeley Chefs. So we want to wish you awesome 2021.
Yeah.
And we also want to invite you to join us on the journey. Take care.
Goodbye.